All right, this week's math lesson is actually going to be done in SeeSaw. So I wanted to go through what this is going to look like using the example template that will be included with the assignment. And our assignment is going to be looking at decimals again, and looking at decimals in picture form, decimal form, and fraction form. Okay, so on the slides that you're going to see in SeeSaw, it's going to give you the decimal. Then you're going to need to shade in what that decimal represents and then how we would write it as a fraction. Okay, so we're actually doing the opposite of what we've been doing, but know that the two are interchangeable. Okay, so in the directions of the SeeSaw assignment, it tells you to shade in the parts. Okay, so for example, 4/10, I'm going to look here. This figure is divided into tenths, so I would shade in 4 of these. Okay, and then I would write my fraction as 4/10. All right, this grid is broken into 100 parts, and this decimal example is 4/100. So I would shade in 4 parts to represent the fraction 4/100. Okay, I will link this video. This video will be available to you in Math Google Classroom, and then I will let you know that you will need to go to SeeSaw to complete the math assignment this week. Okay, this should not be anything alarming. All right, but if you have questions or anything, please be sure to reach out, and that's what I'm here for.